as
News was
well.
just ugly yesterday, though. It was just ugly. You couldn't really go for home run trades, you know?
Yeah. Well, it was in a little bit of a tight range. I mean, but it was easy.
Well, it was easy for those who know how to make the levels and didn't, had their emotions in check. Obviously, you short the 50, 42.60 area, you go long at 54. Those are the levels, but it's 10 points. For newer traders or inconsistent traders, I would not recommend to trade a 10-point range. Nope. 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 Nope.
Yeah, I thought it was super easy. I thought the levels were just laid out there. I mean, at a certain point, I think that if somebody didn't get the idea behind what you should be doing and where you should be doing it, I definitely think there was no reason for them to be trading. But
No. Mm-mm.
I think that it didn't make it hard to figure out where it was trying to go. It was pretty simple. But you have to be patient for the levels that you were looking for and know exactly what you were trying to do. It just wasn't extending further up. But it was just grinding little by little.
Grind. Yep.
And that's, I
Mm-hmm.
think that's in the case was maybe frustrating to a lot of people is that they look at, they look at that and they immediately say it's just not worth putting in. But I think that it was well worth it if you paid attention, if you opened up, you paid attention, you did your analysis, you analyzed where the market was looking to try to go, and then you placed your entry areas where the supports or resistances were. I think it was pretty simple to kind of place the trades.
Well, for not for everybody, because I don't want to make people feel really bad if they got hacked to death. I wouldn't recommend trading a 10-point range, even though it's its simplicity in the analysis where you go long at the bottom and you short the top. But for those who really make good money or do better on trend trading, range trading can be difficult, even though it's simplistic in its analysis. So if you didn't do well yesterday, then don't feel bad. It was a 10-point range. It's not easy for a lot of people.
Yeah. I think I guess it just depends. I know for our traders shouldn't have been too bad. At a certain point, it's pretty much just trading the same levels we pointed out. But I can see if I think that's where it gets a little bit troubling. But it's the same concept. It's just troubling, right? Because it's not that it's not trending anymore. It's that it's not moving further in the trend as much as somebody would want. But as far as trending, it was still going up. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, it was bullish because what does it do? What the market does is it does the impulse move up, and then it will consolidate a bit, and then do another impulse move up. But the consolidation for 10 points it can be choppy for some.
Yeah. That's I think that's where it really is. It's with ranges, you got to be really disciplined, waiting for those levels to reoccur. Because when we look at that tight range, it was pretty much the same exact place. And as a trader, if you got long and you got short and you got long, you had to wait for those levels to get hit, then wait for the market to come back. Wait for the levels to get hit, wait for the market to go out. And you have to make sure that you take your profits off where you saw the resistance and where you saw the support.
When you look at it, you can see earlier on during the day, the resistance at 42.60, how beautiful that was to just short it up there. It's a fade, but I mean, it's pretty stinking clear that is the area that you short. And then after that, you can see the double top at 63, 64 area. I mean, a perfect double top, 2 wicked red candles, short.
Yeah,
short.
that was the level I had for the London session and the short idea we had. So it was an easy short to come back down. Given that we held that support back again as it came back down, same exact level, and then went and pulled itself up again.
Yeah.
So I think, yeah, again, we're gonna extend probably further into those 70s as kind of plotted. We'll see how long it takes to kind of get up there, but
Yeah.
these Bulls look like they're still in control as of right now, especially because they're holding above those 64s right now on the micro level. So we'll see how far we can really get it.